Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, unit number 17, and chapter name is The Ancient Invaders. In this chapter we will study about the ancient invaders who left their imprint on Pakistan like Aryans, Greeks, Mongols and Persian. We will know about more the impact of Hinduism. We will study about the impact of Persian and Greeks on the northwest of subcontinent. So let's get started with the Aryans. Aryans were the nomad from Central Asia who came into the subcontinent of Asia and settled here. A long time, about 500 years ago BC. And the Aryans defeated the local people and soon took over most of the India. They are the forefathers of present Hindus, and the Hindus' religion is based on the beliefs of Aryan. Now there is a question, what is meant by caste system and how did this begin? The caste system was brought by the Aryans. This system based on occupation, and with occupation, the people were divided into 4 castes, like Brahmins, who conducted all religious activities. Number 2, Kshatras or the warriors, is that the kings and their soldier. Number 3, Vaishyas, who were the traders or businessmen or farmers. Number 4, Shudras, who were the lowest in the rank, comprising of the servants and laborer. There is another empire after Aryans. There were Persians, who became a warlike nation in the 6th century BC. They captured a huge empire which stretched from Greece and Egypt in the west of the western Indians. There is another question, why was Sanskrit important? Sanskrit, the language of Aryan, is important as it is the basis of many other languages such as Hindu, Latin, French and English. And question number 4, why were the Greeks able to defeat their opponent? The Greeks were able to defeat their opponent because of the fighting strategy that they used, which was the flank. A flank was a type of miniature forest of soldiers who attacked their opponent with spears. So that's it for today's lesson. See you again. Allah Hafiz.